Okay, this video is going to show you how to construct a perpendicular bisector. So we're going to construct the perpendicular bisector of the given segment. So this is our given segment here. You're going to click the More Tools, the compass. Then you want to click the segment. That's going to give us a circle. And I'm going to drag that center over to one of the endpoints of the circle. And I'm going to click it, and there's my circle. I'm going to click More Tools again, the compass. I'm going to click my segment again, and I'm going to move the center of the circle over to the other endpoint and click Enter. Then I'm going to click the line tool, and I want to start where the two circles intersect, so you can see they're kind of bolding where the point of intersection goes. So there's one point, and then the other point is where both circles kind of get bold on me, a little darker. And this is my perpendicular bisector right here. It splits my segment in half. So each side is equal to each other, and it meets it at a 90-degree angle. Okay, now one thing about this, because these tools are limited, I don't have to go endpoint to endpoint. I could create a segment to go somewhere in between half and the endpoint. So as long as you pick a segment between half and the endpoint, then you'll get the intersection of the circles. If you go less, they're not going to touch at all. And if you go right in the middle, they're going to touch right at the middle. Okay, so keep that in mind. So this is limited with the tools that we have. And that in actuality, when you're using a real compass, you can go anywhere between the middle and the other endpoint to get your intersecting circles. Okay, now you practice.